In this video, I will show you how to combine the incredible artificial intelligence of Claude with the visual design power of Canva to brainstorm and create winning ad creatives for your business. The journey begins by heading over to Claude from Anthropic. Once you are there, you need to provide a very specific prompt that details your product, your target audience, and the overall vibe of your brand. Ask Claude to generate several different ad angles, such as problem and solution styles, social proof examples, or even curiosity-driven hooks. The magic of Claude lies in its ability to understand nuance, so do not be afraid to ask for catchy headlines and short body copy that fits perfectly within a square or vertical layout. Once the AI provides you with a list of creative concepts, select the ones that resonate most with your marketing goals. Now it is time to open Canva and start bringing these ideas to life. You can search for ad templates that match the dimensions of your preferred platform like Instagram or Facebook. Instead of starting from scratch, look for a layout that complements the text Claude generated. Copy the headlines directly from your chat and paste them into the Canva text boxes. You can then use the Canva media library to find photos or videos that match the mood Claude suggested. If Claude recommended a professional and sleek look, go for high contrast images and bold typography. If the suggestion was more organic and authentic, choose user-generated style imagery. A great tip is to use the bulk create feature in Canva if you have multiple headlines from Claude, as this allows you to generate dozens of variations in seconds. By using the brainstorming power of Claude and the aesthetic tools in Canva, you can move from a blank page to a full set of high-performing ad creatives in very little time.